Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to discuss two issues in relation to putting a new SSD in, new or a different SSD into the system. Sometime you would notice that the SSD is not showing up at all, and sometime you would notice that the advertised size and the actual size available on the system in the file explorer is drastically different. So both of these issues happens when part or the entire SSD is not activated in the system. So I'm going to show you how you can do so. So in this particular system I got in front of me, I have put 512 gigs of SSD in there, but when I looked, you can see it for yourself, it only shows 118 gigabytes worth of storage. So that's a significant difference. So this is definitely an activation problem. So in this machine, if I had two different SSD and it was like this, that was only one SSD, then again this is this similar sort of activation problem. So to get around to this, what you have to do is type disk in the search bar, and then you would find create and format hard disk partitions, and once you click on it, you should have these windows. Now as you can see, if you look at the breakdown of the disk 0, there is one partition, there is another which is 118. So this is the one that's actually activated, so we're seeing it here, but this is unallocated. So that's the reason I am not seeing, despite putting 512 gigs, I'm not seeing all of it. So what you have to do is go ahead and activate it. Now remember, if you had two different SSDs and one not showing up at all, in the file explorer it would still show up here. So it's gonna be disk 1 just below this, okay, and it would say unallocated at the same time. Now for the sake of informing you, I will show you in both of the cases, if it was a separate SSD or within the same SSD, if you see any unallocated space, you can right click and then new simple volume, and then you go next, and then leave this as it is. Select a letter. I tend to use the last letter available, Z. Next. Okay, and it's saying it's formatting. It might take a few moments. Now sometimes you have to refresh, sometimes it doesn't need refreshing. It showed up, as you can see. Now if you add these two up, it's going to be pretty close to 400 something. As I said earlier on, even though I put 512 gigs, it does not mean I'm gonna have to I will have all the spaces, because there are system reserved spaces you cannot utilize. So this is how you do it, okay? In both cases where part of the SSD is not showing up or the entire SSD is not showing up. But if you pay attention, we got an issue here. Even though there is only one SSD in my system, there are two different partitions. You can leave it as it is, or there is a way you can merge those together. So as a bonus, I'm going to show you that. So to merge them together, you have to make sure the empty space is unallocated. So we go ahead and delete volume. Be very careful. You should never delete any part that has system stuff in it, like this one for example. This one has got Windows boot files and stuff like that, so you should never play with that. But since this was empty, deleting is not going to create any problem. So to merge this together, what you would do is right click and then extend volume, and then next, and then click next. Before you click next, just double check this is one of the disks is at least selected. You see in here it says 366 megabyte. So yeah, it's the one automatically selected, the empty one. Next, finish. Now if you refresh here, this refresh, as you can see, my entire memory that I have put in is in one partition, and it says 476 gigabytes. That sounds about right. 40 to 50 gigabytes are usually system reserved. So yeah, if you have any questions, do leave a comment down below. Thank you very much.